I'm Finley, and today I'm gonna be doing my NASCAR Diecast collection. So I've got one that's unpackaged, but I'll open it for you first. So it's another Kyle Busch card that I have. So please enjoy. So please click the link in this. Well, yep. Yeah. Anyways, so please press the link in the link in the description box down below. And anyways, let's continue. So I have Kyle Busch's hazelnut spread car, and thing is a bit dented and damaged there, but that's okay. The box has got collect them all. So we have Trex Jr., then Kyle Busch, Chase Briscoe. It looks like Jimmy Johnson. Chase Elliott, the fan favorite is Chase Elliott. Ryan Newman, Jamie McMurray, Alex Bowman, and then Grant Efinger from the obviously the Trucks series. Don't really say anything there, but anyways, let's begin. It's actually so very special because it's got huge bonnet, hazelnut spread is the exact is like Nutella how it's, because hazelnut spread is basically like brown, like chocolate spread. So that's basically what it is. But anyways, let's begin. Number 18 of Kyle Busch. I love how the back is like chicken pattern. Oh wow! It's one of these NASCAR's Authentics. It's probably the brand new one. Wow, that car. It sounded pretty cool. I heard one outside, but no, you might not have heard that. But if you probably listening a bit more carefully, you probably actually would have heard it. Here we've got all the other stuff. And this always was like a really cool looking toy car. Really matches, because when there's this hazelnut spread car, looks really more like a toy car. Looks really toy looking. It really looks like a good toy. It's got that thing around it. I don't know what that is. So yeah, NASCAR Authentic. Anyways, so. And then I've got another. So this is the hood. I'll show you the hood first. Pretty cool. 18. It's really cool. No, I won't show you all the weird looking plastic. I'll just throw it all on my bed, even though they're not really respecting it. I still just need it. Throw it there. And then here it is. Grab it out. Wait. So there's a bit squishy. I love how it's teal. This is my first M&M car. I don't have any one out because I just have that Skittles car that's coming out, and I had a brand new one that I didn't film yesterday. I'm very sorry that I didn't film. M&M's on the side. See? I mean, it's like the exact same, but without the hazelnut spread away. The 18 on the bonnet. So. And then on the back, it actually looks like a real car, doesn't it? Because when you look at the bonnet, you can see the other stuff. So that's what I'm saying. Really cool car. I'll show you the brand new car I just got yesterday. It's, Ryan Newman, and it's just normal sprint car. Like not exactly, but his like the 2015 like sprint car. That's what. Well, That's what I mean. Cat Financial. And if you might remember this other from my Christmas video, I didn't really do a video of it, but another Ferrari. It's not Ferrari, but it's the patriotic Skittle scheme. This car's still in stock as well. And then I've got Jim Johnson's patriotic paint scheme too. It's in NASCAR Heat 3, but without the ally on the quarter panel there. This is in NASCAR Heat 4 too. And it's good. It's really good, so